Hey guys, you may have noticed that changing guitar electronics has become somewhat popular, but it does seem somewhat complicated. One of the main challenges for those thinking about changing their guitar electronics is that we tend to rely on wiring diagrams, and these diagrams tend to hide some of the simple concepts. The details of the basic guitar wiring circuit can be seen by looking at a variation of my favorite guitar wiring circuit, and that's the one found in the Fender Duo-sonic, and we have an example of that right here. Now here is a basic schematic for a dual single coil system with a 3-way toggle switch and a 50s style tone control circuit. The 3-way switch selects either of the individual pickups or combines them in parallel and feeds the output to a load, which is the volume potentiometer. A 50s style tone control circuit is connected to the wiper output of the volume pot, a design chosen to minimize their influence on the pickups. The tone control is a low-pass filter used to suppress the higher frequencies before the signal is sent to the amplifier through the output jack. Typically I use audio taper pots and cheap capacitors with 250 kilo ohm and 0.022 microfarad capacitors for single coils and 500 kilo ohm by 0.047 microfarad capacitors for humbuckers and P90s. For me, this simple way of looking at the guitar circuit is a great start to making guitar electronics easier to understand. I will shortly be installing a similar circuit in my Slick SL51 Tele style guitar, and I hope you'll join me to see how that turns out. Take care.